Hey my lovelies, another day, another what? Another Temu haul. At this point, it's an obsession. Let me show you guys the time. It's literally 2 minutes to 12. I wanted to sleep, but I'm like, you know what? Let me unbox this before going to bed. And let me also use this opportunity to show you this sleepwear two-piece I got from the last haul. So this is how it looks like. Let's get into this one. Okay, let's start with a carton. I wonder what is in here. It looks like shoes. Ooh, these are shoes. Are you guys ready? I mean, it's cute. What do we think? It's not bad, and it's even the embroidery comes all the way to the heel. Like, guys, this feels very high quality. Oh, this is nice. And it has that, but it's just not standing. It's supposed to stand like this. Is there a way to make it stand? What do you guys think? Is there a way to, do something and make it stand like this? I feel this is a bag. It's like a mini bag. No, this is not a bag. These are food containers. Okay, this is nice. Oh, this is nice. I like it. And we have four. We have four different sizes. Is it four? You guys, oh my god, let me show you guys. Oh my god, the last one is so tiny. It's like, what were they trying to prove? Still going. Are you ready? Yes, it's still going. But I think this is like a ketchup container. I don't know why they put this. It's supposed to be like 6 pieces. And this is the sixth one, guys. Oh my god. This is it. Look at this. Crazy. Look at the bag. It's looking nice. Not bad. Actually not bad. Actually, like, look at this, guys. It's like a very cute mini purse, and that's exactly what the description said. And it's nice. Oh, it says like the chain is not long, so it's like carry it this way or this way. So because this pajamas was so tea, I decided to get other like wears from Temu, and we have the first one here. Okay, so this is like, oh, is this medium? It feels big, but I don't mind it. It's so cute. It's so cute. Look at this, guys. This is like nightwear, indoor, very cutesy wear. It has like a net detail on the chest and on the bottom of the shorts also. And then it has a rope, but this rope is a fancy rope. It's not doing anything but the waist. But the waist is stretchy enough and elastic enough to do a good job on its own. Okay, let me show you the second pajamas I got from them. This one feels a bit thin, but I do not mind it. Oh, it's cute also. This one's top is more crop than that. Like, what? But it's cute though. Like a pants and a bralette. That's what this one is giving. That's the vibe it's giving. But I don't mind it at all. It just feels really thin compared to the other one. Oh, it seems like I got another one. Why? What's this? Oh, I did get another one actually. I don't know why. I don't remember picking it, guys. It's same vibe, but this one feels like what I had in like secondary school. The material is like those secondary school socks. I don't know if anybody remembers it. Like, I don't know how I picked this, if I'm being honest with you. I don't know. Like, nah, not my vibe. Oh, my lovelies, that's it for this haul. Let me know which of these items were your best pick, okay?